I will mention that we're creating this thing called the TAMU Spirit. TAMU is Texas A&M University, but Spirit is a multi-use space platform. It's called Spirit, Space Platform Integrating Research and Innovative Technology. It may take us about 18 months to get it built, but it's being built by a company called Aegis Aerospace, and the founder is Stephanie Murphy. And right now on the outside of the International Space Station, if you look at the space station as it's flying towards you, if you look at the left truss, there's a thing called Missy. It's a laboratory that in which you can put experiments, and she has the contract to move to fly experiments to the space station, and for the astronauts to put the experiments in and take them out. And that happens every 6 months. And those experiments can be powered and they can be controlled. So what we're doing here is we're putting Spirit on the right truss. So it'll be 12 experiment possibilities every 6 months, and that'll be available to to Texas A&M researchers and students. And that is you can look at robotics, you can look at material science, space surveillance, you can launch small satellites out of that. So yeah, we're definitely moving towards that innovation space in outer space, so to speak. And again, that's just one example of the possibilities. So you can imagine the students, developing some technology. We'll fly it up at no charge to them because we've already got it paid for, and they can test out their experiment. The beautiful thing is we would bring the experiment back to Earth. Okay. So it doesn't come through the atmosphere and get burned up and it's gone. It actually physically comes back. So they can look at things like materials, or they can look at things that, like in agriculture and plants and